Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on popular pins on email notification settings on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here. Now click settings. Now click notifications and now click by email. There you will find this popular pins. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.